We're living through the financialization of Bitcoin in many ways. That is what is happening. I think the most important thing is that this was inevitable. If Bitcoin was going to succeed as the hardest money, as the best asset, then of course it's going to be financialized. Of course, there's going to be corporations that realize what it could do for them. So this is inevitable. This is just the trajectory of Bitcoin's monetization, what that looks like, where it's going through. And there's been two phases to this market. I think there will be more. I don't think we know where it's going. The first phase was struggling companies. You had companies that were basically not doing well. Obviously, MicroStrategy had cash flow. It wasn't like a terrible business or anything, but it wasn't going to grow in a massive way. It wasn't going to have 10x earnings growth. MetaPlanet, they had half a hotel in Japan, right? These were companies that were not in a strong financial situation, and they adopted Bitcoin to save the business and to grow. And that was enormously successful, and all of these companies that did it grew massively. We're now moving into, I think, the second phase of this market, which is where you see very well capitalized players who are not struggling businesses. SoftBank, Tether, Strive, all of these companies coming in that are able to access billions of dollars of capital easily, relatively easily, and they're now coming into this market. That's a sea change. That's a notable shift. That liquidity has not hit the price yet. Those buys have not happened yet.